Until I reached the age of 9 or 10, I think I was pretty much obsessed with the machinery that came out of Thunderbirds. In my opinion, Thunderbird 4 was the most capable of them all. Thunderbird 4 had tools for every job. It could handle anything. So imagine how pleased I was when I found my own Thunderbird 4 for $5 at the dump shop. It's got a lot of similarities. It's plastic. It's designed to be able to handle pretty much any eventuality. It can be equipped with pretty much anything from plasma cutter to welder to grinders and cutting discs. I think if I came out to my yard one morning and found that an international oil rig had burst into flames in my yard and the occupants needed rescuing, I could do it with this. It comes equipped with 3 handy levels of secure storage, ease of access, and durability combined with safety. Specialist equipment is housed in the easily accessible equipment trays. It's highly manoeuvrable on its ball-bearing caster wheels. It can easily access tight situations. And in case of hurricane, tornado or tsunami, it means that I can quickly get all my tools together and whip them back inside the shed to safety. In the name of safety and efficiency, all of the cables for all of those different power tools can be plugged into this one junction box on the top, meaning that I only need one extension lead across the yard to run all these power tools. Both sides of my Thunderbird 4 are flanked by orifices and crevices suitable for holding a variety of different appliances. Contains small parts, not recommended for children under the age of 3 years old. Action figures sold separately. See website for detail.